We all want to feel our best. Feeling energetic and vibrant is something we all strive for, and it starts with what we put into our bodies. Eating healthy food is a big part of that. Fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains are the building blocks of a nutritious diet. It's not about boring diets. Healthy eating doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor or enjoyment. It's about enjoying delicious food that loves you back. Imagine savoring meals that are both tasty and nourishing, bringing joy to you and your loved ones. Low-fat, low-carb, and high-protein recipes can help us get there. These meals are designed to provide the nutrients we need without the extra calories. They give our bodies the right fuel. Smoothies packed with fruits and vegetables and balanced meals with lean proteins and whole grains keep us energized throughout the day. Plus, they can be super tasty. Healthy food can be just as delicious, if not more so, than less nutritious options. These recipes are great for everyone. Whether you have dietary restrictions or preferences, there's a healthy option that will suit your needs. Whether you're a beginner cook or a pro, there's something for you. From simple recipes to gourmet dishes, healthy eating can be accessible to all skill levels. Let's dive in and discover how easy it is to make healthy choices. With a little planning and creativity, you can prepare meals that are both nutritious and delicious. Get ready to feel amazing. Embrace the journey to a healthier you and enjoy the benefits of eating well every day. Eating less fat is good for our hearts. It reduces the risk of heart disease and keeps our arteries clear. By making mindful choices, we can protect our cardiovascular health and enjoy a longer, healthier life. It helps us stay at a healthy weight too. Maintaining a balanced diet with less fat can prevent obesity and related health issues like diabetes and high blood pressure. It's all about balance and moderation. But low fat doesn't mean boring. You can still enjoy a variety of delicious meals. Healthy eating can be exciting and full of flavor. It's about discovering new recipes and ingredients that make your taste buds dance. There are so many yummy ways to cut down on fat, from using herbs and spices to enhance flavors to choosing cooking methods that don't require much oil. The possibilities are endless. Think about grilling or baking instead of frying. These methods not only reduce fat content but also bring out the natural flavors of the food. Plus, they can be quicker and easier than you might think. Choose lean meats like chicken breast and fish. These options are lower in fat and high in protein, making them perfect for a healthy diet. Season them with your favorite herbs and spices for a tasty meal. Fill up on veggies. They're naturally low in fat and packed with goodness. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for overall health. Try to include a variety of colors on your plate. Try swapping full-fat yogurt for Greek yogurt. It's thicker and higher in protein. Greek yogurt can be a great base for smoothies, a topping for fruits, or even a substitute for sour cream in recipes. Snack on fruits instead of chips. Fruits are naturally sweet and provide essential nutrients without the added fats and sugars found in many processed snacks. They can satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthy way. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start with 1 or 2 adjustments and gradually build healthier habits. Over time, these small steps can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Carbs give us energy, but too many can lead to weight gain. Low-carb eating is about choosing the right carbs. Focus on veggies, fruits, and whole grains. Ditch the sugary drinks and processed snacks. They're full of empty carbs. Instead, enjoy a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Get creative with veggie noodles. Zucchini and squash make great pasta substitutes. You'll be surprised how delicious low-carb can be. Section 4. Power up with protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues. It is the building block of muscles, skin, enzymes, and hormones. Without adequate protein, our bodies cannot function optimally. Protein is key for strong muscles and a healthy body. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits or someone just trying to stay fit, protein helps you recover and grow stronger. It supports muscle repair after intense workouts and helps maintain muscle mass as we age. It keeps us feeling full and satisfied. Including protein in your meals can help curb hunger and prevent overeating. This is because protein takes longer to digest compared to carbohydrates, keeping you satiated for longer periods. Make sure you're getting enough protein in every meal. A balanced diet with adequate protein can improve your overall health and well-being. Aim to include a variety of protein sources to get a range of nutrients. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein. They are versatile, easy to prepare, and packed with essential amino acids. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs can be a quick and nutritious addition to your diet. Enjoy them scrambled, poached, or in an omelette. You can also get creative by adding vegetables, cheese, or lean meats to your egg dishes for an extra protein boost. Beans and lentils are also packed with protein and fiber. They are excellent plant-based protein sources, making them perfect for vegetarians and vegans. Plus, they are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Add some lean meat or fish to your plate. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are low in fat but high in protein, making them ideal for a healthy diet. Fish, such as salmon and tuna, are not only high in protein, but also provide essential omega-3 fatty acids. Chicken, turkey, salmon, and tuna are all great options. These protein sources can be prepared in various ways, from grilling and baking to steaming and sautéing, ensuring you never get bored with your meals. Remember, a little protein goes a long way. Including a moderate portion of protein in each meal can help you meet your nutritional needs without overloading your diet. So, power up with protein and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, stronger body. Section 5. Your delicious journey to wellness. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. With these simple tips, you can enjoy delicious low-fat, low-carb, and high-protein meals every day. Remember to cook more at home. That way you control the ingredients. Experiment with different flavors and find what you love. Most importantly, listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Here's to a healthier and happier you.